Hello everyone, in this video we will see a new exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the font style of the axis in QlikView. So we can change this particular font style of any of the axis, whether it is dimension axis or expression axis. So we can change the font style. So this is the bar chart which I have taken over here. So the data which I have taken is nothing but a coffee sales data. So let me show you the database first. So go to the file menu and go to this particular edit script. So I have loaded a database which is nothing but a Excel file, data from the files. So this is basically a copy chain sales Excel file. I have loaded a table named as copy chain sales table. I'll click on OK. I have loaded and I have also displayed this particular bar chart. So right click on this particular bar chart, go to the properties. So over here we will find one option named as axis. So what we have to do over here, we have to change the dimension axis font. So you can see over here dimension axis as well as expression axis. So you can change the font style of this particular dimension as well as expression axis. Dimension axis is nothing but the x-axis where the regions are being displayed, and the y-axis is going to show you the expression, that is nothing but sum of copy sales. So I'll change the font style for dimension axis. I'll click on font. I'll take a font named as Algerian. I'll click on apply and OK. Similarly, I'll change it for expression. I'll click on apply and OK. So I'll click on apply and OK. The moment I clicked on apply, you can see over here the font style for the dimension axis as well as the expression axis, that is x-axis as well as y-axis, is being changed. So in this way we can change the font style for dimension axis as well as expression axis, x-axis and y-axis. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.